Welcome to Del Norte Hall. Located in North Quad, this building is home to a lot of our majors. You will most definitely have a class here throughout your time at CI. Del Norte Hall is a blend of our iconic Spanish-style architecture with 21st century technology and energy-efficient features. This three-story building houses a 120-seat tiered lecture hall, 60 and 40-seat classrooms, a conference room, a student lounge area, and 3 computer labs with desktop, laptop, and iPad technology. To learn more about the academic majors we offer, visit go.csuci.edu/academics.